Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to Sherri'sDivine Styles. I'm back with another clean with me. This time it's the kitchen. It's late at night. I need to get this area cleaned and wiped down and ready for the next day. If you are in the need of some cleaning motivation and want to see my late night cleaning routine, keep watching. Before cleaning the kitchen, I washed a load of laundry. I usually do this during the day. I try to wash a load every other just so the laundry doesn't pile up on me. But unfortunately for this particular day, it did. So I wanted to get a head start. By the time the clothes are washed and dried, I should be done with the kitchen. Now that I have a load washing, I'll head down to the kitchen and get the sink prepared for the dishes. I always clean both sinks, even though one sink is going to get dirty with the dishes. It just helps ease my mind knowing that both sinks are clean before cleaning the dishes. I hate doing dishes. I hate doing dishes. This is the last thing I would clean in my house, and with Dawn, it does help me remove any stain or grease on the food. One thing that I would do before washing dishes is allow the dishes to soak. I am the queen of soaking. I will allow dishes to soak in water for 24 hours, 48 hours. It just depends on the mood, but I'm going to allow these dishes to soak in the water, and while these are soaking, I'm going to clean the rest of the kitchen. My channel is all about bringing your styles to life, one DIY at a time. As long as you can visualize it, you can definitely bring your style to life by doing it yourself. My interior styles are all over the place. I'm rustic, glam, tradition, minimalist, and modern. But the look that I try to achieve the most is a clean room. I love a clean home. It's more appealing, more welcoming, and definitely more relaxing. My channel consists of cleaning motivational videos as well as organization and DIYs. If this interests you, then click on that subscribe button and that notification bell beside it so you won't miss out on my videos. I've been posting more reels on my Instagram page. I've recently did a video on this corner right here in my kitchen. So guys, make sure you are following me on IG at Sherri'sDivine Styles. That's where I'm at when I'm not on YouTube. And you can see this reel video that I did of this corner, as well as my other reel videos and posts. It is the next morning. The last clip that you guys saw, my battery died, and while it was charging, I tried my hardest not to go to sleep, but I didn't make it. I wanted to do everything that night, but it was pretty late. And while waiting, I messed around and sat down. And once I was in one spot, that was it. So it's the next morning. Actually, it's the afternoon. The kids just got done eating lunch. They wanted to go outside and play. So while opening the French doors, I realized how nice it was outside. So I let the doors stay open and allowed that clean air breeze inside. I'm just going to clean up from the night before and also clean areas that got dirty that morning. I prefer to clean at nighttime. Usually after 10, I'm the only person that's still up in my household, so I can get more done. I can tap into my cleaning zen and just go through the entire room, and I don't have to worry about someone falling or the kids needing my attention. I can just get everything done. Even though I did not make it the night before, I usually get everything done at nighttime. But guys, tell me down below, when do you prefer to clean, during the day or at night? Stainless steel isn't the only refrigerator that shows prints. You guys, this refrigerator right here, I know exactly what my kids have eaten for the day because it shows on the refrigerator. I have to clean this down. I'm just going to wipe down the rest of the countertops and clean the few dishes in the sink, and I am done until it's time to cook dinner. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this gave you some midday, late night cleaning motivation. If you like this video, you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Share this video and make sure your notification bells are turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Sherri'sDivine Styles, as well as my other social media platforms. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.